Oh shit. Alright, so been hiking a little while. We come upon this little beauty. And this is going to show you where we have to go yet. Say hi to the people. You left the same time I did, but you went the other way.
Oh, yeah?
So, yeah, it's beautiful that way.
Oh, good.
Alright, so this is what we're going to have to go to. All the way there. And right where my fingertip is, there's a person standing up there. Look down, you see how pretty the water is. I think they call that the Indian face, Indian chief face. I'm not for sure. Let's look and see what's facing the other way. Oh, just open Lake Superior. Hey, look at that water. Isn't that beautiful? I really look forward to kayaking on it tomorrow. But you know, we're gonna keep going. But being out in places like this and some of the things I've shown you, you can't help but think about what a gift it is as a human being that I get to be here today enjoying silence, actual silence with nothing but nature, with no human noise pollution, and peace and tranquility, and see this beauty. Meanwhile, all over the world, other human beings are being killed, bombed, and starved, and just being horribly treated. And so the sadness of thinking about that makes me feel extra humble that this human being gets to be here today doing this. Alright, food for thought. We'll check in later. Unless you want to walk with me for a minute. Okay. Just off to our left there, about 20 feet, is the cliff down to Lake Superior. Craziness, right? If we listen just for a minute, I'll stop. Hear nothing. It's just something about the tranquility of silence. Alright, we'll check in again in a little while. Peace out.